Welcome to Lecico's Close Couple Toilet Installation Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps for a secure and efficient installation. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools ready for a smooth installation of your Lecico Close Couple Toilet. Place the pan in its final position on the floor and trace its base outline with a pencil. Then, using a tape measure, mark the fixing holes through the pan's mounting points, making sure each hole is the same distance from the wall and centered within the traced outline. Once you've confirmed your pencil marks are perfectly aligned and level, drill with a 10mm masonry bit and insert the floor plugs. Next, slide the pan over the waste outlet and align it with your marks. Then, use a screwdriver to drive the floor bolts through the pan's mounting holes into the plugs. Hand tighten each one to secure the pan in place. Grab your spirit level and ensure the pan sits perfectly level. Now assemble the cistern. Insert the threaded studs into its base. Add the spacer sleeves and secure each with a locking nut. Begin by aligning the flush valve cradle with the cistern's outlet port and pressing it fully into place. Next, slide the compression nut up the cradle's threaded tail to lock the diaphragm seal against the housing. Then, install the waste outlet connector and the water inlet valve, then give a gentle quarter turn with the adjustable wrench. Once both valves are secure, slide the rubber seal over the compression nut to protect the seal. Lower the cistern block onto the pan's rear bosses. Align the studs with the pan mounting holes. Then fit the washers and nuts from underneath. Once again, check level front to back and side to side. Everything should sit perfectly flush. Turn on the water, cycle the fill and flush to verify there are no leaks and the mechanism operates smoothly. Your Lecico Close Couple Toilet is now installed and ready to use. For more detailed steps, refer to our full installation guide available on our website. Lecico, beautiful bathrooms you can trust.